Oh, this is 12 volt Tom. We're showing you how to clean a gas tank that's really rusty on the inside. So the first thing you do is you seal up all the holes in the tank. There's one on the bottom of this one. The holes, seal this one up. Don't seal it up yet. Inside of the tank is a door glass from a vehicle. Take a piece of door glass, you shatter it on a blanket, throw it inside the tank. Put in about 4 to 5 gallons of vinegar, seal it up now, and then strap it to your tractor, tie her up in the air. Doesn't have to go fast, and you can't hear if that glass is just tumbling up and down inside this and scrubbing it out. So after it's done scrubbing, and we're going to put it in reverse and do the same thing again, and then the tank is going to get emptied out. The glass is going to get vacuumed out of it. Then it gets rinsed with vinegar. Get the vinegar out of it. You rinse it with water with a little bit of baking soda inside of it to neutralize that vinegar. And then rinse it again with just plain water. And then you're going to coat the inside of it with some of that gas tank sealant, which I have a can somewhere, but I don't know where it went. But anyway, you'll put the epoxy inside of it and then roll it around like this again. Voila, tank's fixed. Fix them old tanks.